Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I tried this Garri porridge and yes, it was nice. I won't lie, it was really nice. Like I was actually surprised and impressed, but I can never sacrifice my Garri. Like the normal way I drink Garri, you can't compare Garri in cold water with scattered block and peppered fish. Oh my goodness, with milk. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't even want to start talking because saying it alone, I'm imagining it and I'm craving for it. Like you can't compare that to this. So, but it was nice. This was nice, and I decided to like show you guys the video. So all you need to do is to get a bowl, add your Garri to the bowl, then you add water to it so you can remove all the dirt from the Garri. But if you don't want to do it like this, no problem, it's not a must. You can just go straight with your dry Garri, but if not, you can actually do it like this. So after this, what you're going to do next is you're going to put your water on fire. So yes, you heard me. You're going to put water on fire. I know some people will be like, when it's not like it's air, but I want to make, yeah, we are making Garri, like drinking Garri. So yeah, when your water is super hot or when your water is already boiling, you're going to go in with your Garri. Like I said, you can either add water to it or you can just pour the dry Garri in like that. So after adding your Garri to the water, you're just going to stir and allow the Garri sit on fire for like 3 minutes. Yes, for like 3 minutes or till it's thick to your satisfaction. Some people would allow their own go thicker than my own, the way I removed mine from fire, but I don't think if mine should go more thick or thicker than what I had, I'll be able to eat it. So I had to like remove mine at that time. But you can leave it on fire for like 3 minutes or until the thickness is to your satisfaction, any of the above. So please do not forget to add salt. Yeah, you can add salt to it if you like though, but if not, no problem. When I drink Garri on a norms, I add salt to it. So this adding of salt was actually nice with this method also. So it is actually optional, it's not a must. So after allowing it sit for like 3 minutes or till it's stick to your satisfaction, you can just take it off fire and then you would go straight to enjoying your Garri porridge. Guys, please do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe if you've not. Also turn on the notification bell after subscribing so that anytime we post a new video you'll be notified. So yeah, this was the point. I removed mine. You can see how thick my own is. Some people allow their own go thicker than that, like I said, but I'm not sure I'll be able to drink that, so I had to remove it at this stage. So you're just going to turn it into your bowl and then you can allow the Garri cool down a bit, because I couldn't drink it like that though. I don't know if you'll be able to drink it like that, but me, I couldn't drink it like that, so I waited for it to cool down a bit before actually drinking mine. So after turning all your Garri porridge into your bowl, next thing to do is to get your granite. You can get your granite or your peanut or anything at all, or your coconut, anything you want to use in enjoying this Garri. Just go straight to the point, like guys. So you can get your granite. After adding your granite, you can add your sugar. If you're the type to use sugar, no problem. If not, if you're the type to use honey, you can actually add your honey. Any of the above is fine. So you can add whatever you add to your normal Garri to this actually. So be it sugar, be it honey, be it granite or peanut or coconut, any of the above you can add to it. So after adding your granite, your sugar, next thing you're going to add your milk. Guys, this was delicious. I won't lie. I wasn't actually expecting it to be like this. I've been seeing it, but I've been skipping it or running away from it because I'm like, why would somebody want to drink Garri like this? But yeah, it wasn't a bad idea after all. Like, it wasn't bad at all. So try it and come back to let us know what it was or how it was. Let us know. Come back to give us feedback. I would love to know if you enjoyed yours as well. And also let us know if you've tried drinking Garri this week. Because I don't know, I would love to know. Will I be trying trying this again, I don't know, because I still prefer my normal Garri. So I don't know if I'll be trying this again, but let us know your own experience. Have you tried it before? How was it when you tried it? Like, I would love to know. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please have an amazing day. And also, like I said earlier, please do not forget to like, comment, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, so that we'll be able to make more videos and bring you beautiful and nice content. And also feel free to check out our channel for interesting content. Have an amazing day. Bye.